Okay, so I just got a thing and I just wanted to show you. First of all, I want to show you the problem I'm trying to solve. When I make videos, which I'd like to make more piano videos, here's my camera above my keyboard. It is attached, the camera right there. It goes down, you can kind of see the clip back there. It's attached to the keyboard stand. So if I play louder or harder or move it all, see how the camera jiggles. But anyway, doesn't seem to do, yeah, see that just, I don't like that. So here's the thing I got. I just ordered a new stand. Now I don't have much room in this little office, so I can't get like a tripod, you know, like the boom sticks, and I can't get one that, there are some that you can mount, but it's like a big lever arm, and there's no room. The keyboard is right up against that wall. I bought an extension USB in case I need it, but here is, see the unboxing from Amazon, and it's got a floor plate, looks like. Instructions, that's all the instructions I got. Okay, wish me well, folks. And it's supposed to stand right behind the piano. I'm going to put it together and I will let you know. I'll just be back in a few minutes, either with tears or a big smile. So stay tuned. Hello again. Okay. I did it, but I probably should have filmed while I was doing it. That would have been more entertaining. Things that I thought were screwed in fell off. It really, I'm just not very mechanical, but it's working. Let me just turn the camera. All right, so you can see over here. Here's the webcam up here, and I had to open it all the way up, flip it around backwards so that it filmed right. But then the arm goes down here, and it's to a solid plate, a heavy one, on the ground, kind of at the corner up here. I couldn't do it directly behind the keyboard, but over here kind of works. I tried off to the side, but I couldn't get the keyboard straight. So that works. I just have to move the keyboard out a little bit when I'm going to make a video. And here's what it looks like. Ta-da! See, and it's like, goes all the way out to like 1, 2, 3. It spans the 4 octaves that mainly I'll be doing. You can see this, but a lot of times I don't have this up there. I guess you can see my white clip. Is that annoying? That's where my light, that's my little ring light. But I'm happy with it. I think it went pretty good, and you can see the piano pretty well. Yay! So we will count that as a success. So now I guess I can be hired out to install other people's, no, oh my heavens. Anyway, just wanted to see back behind the scenes of how that webcam works, and I'm so excited. It's going to work better now.